boAt Cine Head F1 Pro Projector. Main features are Smart OS. Operates on certified Google TV 5.0, giving users native access to a vast catalog of 400,000 plus movies, streaming episodes, and standard Google Assistant voice controls. Upgraded memory. Powered by a MediaTek processor paired with a much larger 2 GB RAM and 32 GB of internal storage for lag-free UI navigation and rapid app load times. Dedicated remote. The voice-enabled smart controller features physical hotkeys for Netflix and YouTube alongside system profile switching. Smart sensing. Features automated alignment sensors on the chassis that immediately trigger autofocus and auto keystone correction if the unit is moved. Obstacle avoidance. Automatically scales or repositions the projected display to cleanly miss light switches, wall art, or obstructions. Cinematic sound. Upgraded to a 10W internal speaker system enhanced with Dolby Audio for a more punchy, room-filling sound footprint. Network and cast. Employs high-speed dual-band Wi-Fi alongside Bluetooth V5.1 and integrated Chromecast, Google Cast, for streaming from smart devices. Physical interface. Includes an input suite featuring HDMI with ERC support, USB ports, and a 3.5mm aux audio out jack. Brighter output. Delivers an authentic 500 ANSI lumens of brightness, making it substantially more capable in ambient lighting compared to lower-tier models. True resolution. Features a native Full HD 1080p resolution with built-in processing support for 4K Ultra HD inputs. Screen scale. Scales crisp imagery onto a canvas ranging from 40 inches up to 120 inches, operating within a throw distance of 1.07 to 3.22 meters. Optics protection. Built with a fully sealed, dust-proof optical engine rated for a long-lasting 30,000-hour lamp life.